Welcome back, auto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sleek, sophisticated, and thoroughly advanced 2026 Audi A5, a car that continues to embody Audi's vision of luxury, innovation, and driving pleasure. Whether you're drawn to its sharp looks, impressive tech, or refined performance, the new A5 strikes a near-perfect balance between style and substance. So let's take a closer look at what this German masterpiece has to offer. Body panels. The 2026 Audi A5 debuts with a bold yet elegant redesign. The body panels are sculpted for both aerodynamics and aesthetics, featuring sharper creases, a lowered shoulder line, and wider fender arches. These changes not only give the car a more assertive presence but also improve airflow for better efficiency and handling stability. Crafted using a mix of lightweight aluminum and ultra-high-strength steel, the panels reduce overall weight while maintaining structural rigidity. The coupe, sportback, and cabriolet body styles each retain their unique silhouettes, now with a sportier and more muscular stance that hints at the A5's performance capabilities. Headlights. Leading the way are Audi's advanced digital matrix LED headlights, available across most trims. These smart headlights adapt in real time, offering precision lighting that avoids dazzling other drivers while maximizing road visibility. They also feature dynamic turn signals and an animated lighting sequence on unlock, not just functional, but a visual treat. These high-tech beams even project light patterns onto the road surface in certain markets, enhancing awareness in dark conditions. Taillights. At the rear, the OLED taillights bring a futuristic glow to the A5's back end. These taillights aren't just beautifully designed, they're customizable. Drivers can select from multiple light signatures through the infotainment system, adding a personal touch. The OLED technology provides uniform illumination and incredible contrast, enhancing visibility while maintaining Audi's unmistakable light design language. Grille. The signature single-frame grille takes on a more angular and aggressive form for 2026. It's lower, wider, and now framed with gloss black or brushed aluminum accents depending on trim level. Behind the grille, active shutters regulate airflow to optimize engine cooling and fuel efficiency. It also serves as a mounting base for several sensors used in Audi's safety and assistance features, seamlessly integrating form and function. Seats. Inside, the A5 offers seating that blends ergonomic support with high-end materials. The standard sport seats are deeply contoured, offering excellent bolstering for spirited drives while remaining comfortable for long-distance cruising. Options include Valcona leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and ventilation and massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers benefit from increased legroom, especially in the Sportback variant, making it more practical without sacrificing style. Dashboard. The dashboard is clean, horizontal, and premium in every touchpoint. A mix of leatherette surfaces, real wood, or brushed aluminum trim makes for a visually rich and tactile experience. Audi's designers have moved towards a minimalist, driver-focused layout, reducing physical buttons and instead integrating haptic touch controls on the center console and steering wheel for a futuristic feel. Infotainment system. At the heart of the A5's tech package is the MMI Touch Response System with a crisp 11.9-inch central display, now powered by Audi's latest infotainment platform. It's faster, more responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. Audi's virtual cockpit plus a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster array offers customizable layouts for navigation, media, and performance data. Paired with an available head-up display, the A5 keeps critical information in your line of sight, enhancing safety and convenience. Steering wheel. The new flat-bottom multifunction steering wheel is both sporty and high-tech. Wrapped in fine Nappa leather, it includes touch-sensitive buttons with haptic feedback and paddle shifters for manual control of the transmission. You can also control media, navigation, and voice activation without ever taking your hands off the wheel, reinforcing Audi's commitment to intuitive interaction and driver-first design. Engine. The 2026 Audi A5 continues to offer a robust lineup of turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engines, now further refined for smoother power delivery and improved efficiency. The standard TFSI model delivers around 261 horsepower, with a mild hybrid 12-volt system that improves stop-start smoothness and acceleration from a standstill. Matched with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive and a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, the A5 delivers crisp handling and confident traction in all-weather conditions. Hybrid option. New for 2026, Audi has introduced a plug-in hybrid A5 variant, A5C. This model pairs the 2.0-liter turbo engine with an electric motor and a 17.9 kWh battery, offering around 50 kilometers, 31 miles, of electric-only range. It's perfect for short commutes without using a drop of fuel, and when the system works in tandem, total output climbs to over 300 horsepower, combining efficiency with athletic performance. Charging takes just over 2 hours with a level 2 charger, making it convenient for daily use. Airbags. Safety has always been a priority, and the 2026 A5 is no exception. It features 8 standard airbags, including dual front, side impact, curtain, and front knee airbags. Beyond passive safety, Audi has implemented pre-sense collision mitigation systems that detect imminent impacts and prepare the cabin by tightening seat belts, closing windows, and activating warning alerts, reducing the risk of injury in critical moments. Parking assist. Tight spaces are no match for the A5's Park Assist Plus system. Using ultrasonic sensors and surround view cameras, the system can steer the vehicle into parallel or perpendicular spots with minimal input. Just control the pedals and gear selector. The 3D surround camera also offers multiple views, including a top-down perspective, making urban parking easier than ever. Automatic braking during low-speed maneuvers adds another layer of security to protect both your car and others around it. Price. So, what's the price tag for this blend of luxury and performance? The 2026 Audi A5 starts at approximately $47,000 for the base premium trim. Mid-level premium plus models come in around $52,000, while the fully loaded prestige trim with all the bells and whistles can approach $58,000. The plug-in hybrid variant starts near $55,000, but with tax incentives and fuel savings, it can be a smart long-term choice, especially for eco-conscious drivers who still crave dynamic performance. Thank you for joining us on this detailed walkthrough of the 2026 Audi A5, a car that perfectly balances German engineering precision, luxury aesthetics, and modern tech. Whether you're looking for efficient daily driving, refined comfort, or sporty engagement, the A5 proves it's not just a pretty face, it's a serious performer in every way. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and deep dives into the cars that move the world. Until next time, drive safe and drive